only are scientists working to make our brains function better, they're also investigating new ways to use our brains.
The brain, what is that all about?
Everything we experience comes through our five senses. But Dr. Rodolfo Llinás has a technology that could make your five senses obsolete. Someday you might be able to see even if you're blind, hear even if you're deaf, or recover memories that you thought were lost.
A new set of technologies that might allow us to talk to the brain directly. We humans are visual animals. Let me draw it for you. It is something like that. Let's put an eye here. Now, for most people, seeing is something you do with your eyes. The eye connects to the thalamus. But you know, it is really not so. The eyes don't see. It is the brain that sees.
When you dream, you see, but you're not using your eyes.
In principle, one may be able to produce seeing by activating the brain directly.
Dr. Llinás plans to run wires into the part of the brain responsible for vision. The wires would stimulate specific brain cells with electrical impulses, creating images in your mind. You'll see, even if your eyes are shut.
You can have sensations, you can have images as richly as you want it.
Llinás believes he can also hotwire the parts of the brain connected to hearing or touch. This technology paves the way for true out-of-body experiences. You'll be able to see the world without ever leaving home.
What if we want to travel? Why don't you just plug it in directly? And then you will see it, and then you'll feel the breeze.
If your brain can experience sights, sounds, smells, and sensations of being somewhere else, could virtual travel be as good as actually being there? Could armchair thrill seekers skydive in complete safety? Or even walk on other planets? Dr. Llinás believes there's no limit to the images and sensations that can be sent directly to the brain. How will all of this information get there?
Through the vascular system.
The brain is filled with tiny blood vessels that deliver oxygen to each and every neuron. Dr. Llinás plans to run bundles of microscopic lines called nanowires right through these blood vessels. They will carry the signals containing the sights, sounds, and other sensations to the appropriate parts of the brain. In the future, Llinás also envisions being able to hardwire our brains directly to someone else's.
You will have not only the ability to address sensation, but also emotions.
You won't need words to communicate your feelings. The person on the other end will be literally inside your head, feeling your love or anger. Physicians will no longer ask, "Where does it hurt?" They'll know.
We're beginning to get the tools to interact directly with our mind.
But whatever our brain's potential, we'll still want a healthy body. And another nano-based technology might make it possible to rebuild broken bodies and make strong bodies even stronger.